Another one of our best-selling cars here has just arrived. Defender D250 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this car's only done 1,800 miles. It's a 2025 75 registration in Santorini black, which is a lovely metallic black. So what you get behind me is a Defender commercial vehicle, hardtop they call it. It's price plus VAT. It's a car you can buy for the business, get all the benefits that you should, but still drive around in luxury, in a beautiful SUV that has all the creature comforts you'd ever want. Now this car has then got some other added extras, like the extended arch kit, the pod lights, the rear spoiler, the beautiful wheels. But let's start from the front. You've got the black styling package, that's your badges, your grills, your inserts, headlight washers, LED DRLs and the full LED headlights with adaptive headlights, LED front fog lights, and then you've got front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system. But then you get to the side of the car and the first thing you notice is the extended arch kit because it sticks out a bit more and looks really good. And then the wheels, the gloss black 22-inch wheels, great design, and they look stunning. Mud flaps front and rear, another extra, side steps, black venting on the side, and then as soon as you open the door, you're going to see that lovely premium leather interior, and you can just tell by looking at it, it's got that lovely, nice, smooth finish to it. Electric seats, heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting package, which you can see with the blue lighting system, and you can change your colours. Full digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, and then you have got the wireless charging pad with more cubbyhole space. Now this being a hardtop commercial vehicle, it's blocked off, so again, anything you put on the tools or anything is all secured. Hardback spare wheel cover, there's a top spoiler, LED rear lighting system, and then you have got the factory electric deployable Towbar. If you're not going to use it, you press one button and it falls away again. In here, you've got all that space, you've got the sort of hooks there for your jacket, etc. And then ideal, really. Like I said, any tools or anything else you put in there, it's stored away nicely, it's locked up. The car looks great. It's a fantastic vehicle on the road, off the road. It's nice and high up, brilliant visibility. The D250 is a 3-litre diesel engine producing 250 brake horsepower. You have got Meridian sound system because the commercial Defenders do not come with Meridian sound system, not a standard. Push button start, and then you have, like I said, the full multifunctional steering wheel, the big screen navigation, there's the heated seats and there's a ventilated seat, lots of cubbyhole space around here, and you have coin holder, etc. going on there. This one's going live now, so if you like what you see and you're in the market for a Defender and you want a commercial that looks a little bit special, then this one's available. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye now.